चीज़ again one of those things जो कि पाकिस्तान में introduce किया. तो I'm forgetting the name, a top pivot surgeon. मुझे एक होता था क्या एक अच्छी चीज़ है where a patient is able to reduce significant weight. I don't know क्यों popular नहीं हुआ. तो he gave very good comment. उससे कहेगा ये क्यों नहीं पॉपुलर. अब मुझे नहीं समझ आती. I think there's a gap कि लोगों को पता नहीं. In a young female who is yet to be married and worried about weight, there's no incision on the tummy. You're doing it non-invasively or with minimal invasive technique. Procedure takes about 45 minutes. तो इससे बल्कि क्या बात है. तो that was a great idea. And when I started telling the people कि अच्छा भाई आपके पेट पे कोई निशान नहीं होगा, it's going to take 45 minutes, nobody will know it. एकदम से वो क्लिक होना शुरू हो गया. So obesity, master of all diseases. और let me tell you कि जब liver disease की बात करते हैं तो liver disease is a combination. Slow, steady process है starting from abdominal liver function test to inflammation to fibrosis and then shrinkage. And in combination, people get cardiovascular disease, people get chronic kidney disease, and then slowly, gradual islet cell loss. Initially, these patients are non-independent, but ultimately they become patient. Or we call it as two-hit hypothesis. Two-hit hypothesis का मतलब ये है कि पहला hit है liquid inflammation और दूसरा hit है reactive oxygen species production. So with this two-hit pathogenesis, with initial fat accumulation and then lack of antioxidants, people develop from inflammation to fibrosis and leading to from SLD to MESL to MASH and ultimately liver cirrhosis. And this is the.
So please come towards the stage. We'll take a group picture and then we'll head towards the tea. But please, I have a request because we are a little stringent on the timeline. You guys have to check out and then, inshallah, proceed towards airport. I would request you to please take your tea and return back to your table so that we can start Dr. Rasim Nabi Tayyib's session.
So much if you have any question regarding logo notice or to the business.